It's called Those Sweaters Ugly.
But I'm not wearing a sweater.
Like what mine can do.
I'll show you ugly. Sing it. It's that time of the year. The ugliest sweater is here. Wanna make one now? I'll show you how. Crack an egg. Spread it around. Crush a Pop-Tart all around. A squirt of mustard, yep. Add mayo, you bet. Beans of mush. Tomato slush. Onion slices. Chili spices. Heavy whipping cream will be a dream. We're almost done. Now some melted ice cream for fun. Add some Play-Doh poo. Olives too. Fold it up when you're done. Dump on it for fun. Hold your head up high. Watch them cry. 'Cause now you got the ugliest sweater alive. It's the ugliest